Hi, I had a good USB headset for my computer and unfortunately I broke it after using it for a couple of years. I must say that the sound drivers of the broken USB headset and the sensitivity of its microphone were great. I used those speakers and made a new Bluetooth headphone for my pocket music player, and now I decided to make a DeX microphone for my computer out of the broken mic. I do have an auxiliary microphone to record the audio in my PC, but they are very professional, bulky, and every time I use them I need to use my external sound card to get the audio in. Initially I thought to build a lavalier microphone out of this one, but later I thought to make a DeX microphone for my room. It can be used to connect virtual assistants like Siri, Cortana, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. Though I am still not fortunate to have Siri as my friend till now, but others are in-house. Things that I am going to use to build this desk mic are a 4x4x2 plastic switch box, a 6.35mm audio jack socket, a 3.5mm audio jack socket, a small piano type switch, 4 pieces of bass stands, wires to connect the components, few screws, a multimeter to check the terminals and the polarities, carbon fiber paper, and I also used arrow light to fix some of the components. I recorded the entire audio of this clip via this desk microphone. The sensitivity is really great, though it is small in size, but I don't actually need to shout to get the audio captured. It can easily detect low waves, provide stereo sound, and also support noise cancellation. Overall I can say it is serving good for me.